if you're getting this update error on Windows 7, you might be able to fix it by going to this link over here to get the update. It's this one. So you can't run the Windows Update Checker because you need this file, and so you can download the package here for Windows x64. When I click on it, it mentions KB3138612. There's other ones on here for Windows Server, but most people, I'm assuming, don't have Windows Server 2008. The one for 32-bit seems to be a similar KB update, but it's for 32-bit. Anyways, I ran and installed it, and now I can download and install updates now after doing that.